Alright, so look, quick video. Matter of fact, let me put that down. Quick video. Brand new fuel injectors on a Chevy 2500. Put brand new motor injectors, fuel pump, all this stuff in it. It got hard to start, misfire. A lot of people believe that whenever you have white smoke along with water coming out the exhaust, that it's always and has to be a head gasket. No, it doesn't. In this instance, it's actually dumping too much gas, and I'm gonna explain and show you in just a second. It's dumping too much gas, and the exhaust fumes are actually vaporizing, you know, a little bit of gas and causing it to blow white smoke. There's TSBs on it and so forth. Now, on the scan tool, we'll just go to injector 3 because I know that's a known bad one. I'll click injector 3. Watch this. It'll prime up. See, it barely primed up. Now it has fuel pump problems. See how it's steadily more bleeding down? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. My bad. Let me kick the ignition switch off and then do it again. I forgot I had already previously done the test. Okay, so we'll go to fuel injector balance. Make sure your lines, blase. We'll go to injector 3. Watch it prime up. It'll go to about 55, 60. It'll bleed down. You don't hear the injector, but see how it continuously bleeds down, and it'll bleed down to 0. The injector should have kicked on and bled it down, you know, 20-30 psi, and then it should have stayed there. That right there bled all the way back to 0 psi. It is at the last line and steadily more degrading. These are 8 brand new injectors from O'Reilly's. Not Master Pro, not the cheap version. It's standards, and they're bad. So if you ever see an instance of you doing this type work and you see that they should bleed down while they're pulsing, while it's pulsing, and then it shouldn't bleed down anymore. If it continues to bleed, that means that injector is leaking. In this instance, number 3 is stuck wide open. The other ones are continuously leaking. Now, if it wasn't raining and it wasn't quiet, then after the test was done with, then I would have got the mic close to the injector so you could have heard it continuously bleed.